back, you're watching Sakat Spice. He started off with Ram Gopal Varma's company and has been in the limelight for different reasons. Some of his movies have been critically acclaimed and have won awards. His latest flick, Qurban, is a hit already and has taken the nation by storm. My colleague Mehak caught up with this talented actor, Vivek Oberoi.
He's a known actor from the B-Town industry. His latest flick is almost a super hit and is already rocking. Well, we have with us Vivek Oberoi. Hi, Vivek.
Hi, Mehak.
After a long span, we get to see you on screen. Tell us a bit about that.
It's been a really good experience working on Qurban. I wanted to wait and do really good kind of cinema. I wanted to do cinema that I thought, would justify all the hopes and expectations that my fans have had of me. Since the time of Company and Satya and Shootout and all those movies. So these last 2 years I've just tried to focus and try to do some good work. So I've got Qurban, which by God's grace I'm really thankful for. It's been a very big success, and right now I'm really happy and I'm overwhelmed with all the positive response and the great reviews. So I'm very, very happy.
The title says Qurban, so how many Qurbanis did you actually give at the time of Qurban? Did you actually underwent some Qurbani at the time of shoot?
Not really, actually. I think it's been such a great experience working with Karan and working with Dharma. It's been a fantastic experience. Put in a lot of hard work, kept my focus, and gave it my 110%. When Karan gave me this role, I asked him why me. Any actor in the industry would give his arm to do this role. And he said, because I believe in you and I don't want any actor, I want a good actor. So he said, give it your best and make me proud. So I guess I worked really hard, and after the release of the film, he gave me a big hug and he said, I'm proud of you.
Sure. The Janta verdict is already out. What do you have to say about that?
I'm really happy. I mean, people have been really kind and very appreciative, and I'm really thankful to my fans for all the support. I'm thankful to all the people who are saying all these lovely and kind things about my work.
While people have already loved you in the movie, would you like to tell us a bit about how do you feel about working with the hottest couple in the town, Saifina?
I don't like to call them Saifina because I know them both personally. They're both wonderful friends of mine. Saif and Kareena are both lovely individuals and fantastic actors in their own right. So I think this whole package deal thing is kind of silly to me. But I think what I love about them as a couple, when I worked with them and when we used to go out all the time, we used to go out to party together when we were shooting in New York and Philly, and we still hang out a lot, even in Bombay. We used to go out having a lot of dinners and stuff. What I got to know is that they're really honest, real, and a genuine couple that genuinely is like normal people in love with each other, and I think that's so beautiful, and they're very blessed to have that.
Well, we see an honest friend in you, definitely. As I said, we've heard the reviews, so have you. It's also in the air that, there's a bit of New York in the movie. Do you agree to that?
There's a lot of New York in the movie. We shot the film in New York.
No, but I'm sure you definitely know what I'm talking about, like New York, bit in New York in the movie.
I guess, as someone once said that there are only 6 basic ideas from which scripts and screenplays are developed and devised. So there might be places where people think that, oh, this has shades of New York, but they're totally different films with a totally different attitude. The characters, the maturity of the film is very different in Qurban. To be very fair and to be very honest, that I know for a fact that Karan wrote this idea, at least, not necessarily the script, but this idea was about 7 years ago when I just started my career. He had narrated this idea to me.
So after Qurban, when do you get to see you next? What are the ongoing projects or the one in pipeline?
I'm very excited about my next film, Prince, which is, I don't know if you've seen the trailers, the promos. They're out, and I'm getting really good reviews on my promo. People are really excited. We've tried to make an out-and-out entertainer, make a really cutting-edge action film where the youth will go out and really enjoy the thrills and, have a fantastic entertainment kind of experience. That's the idea of Prince. It's got great music, big thrills, big stunts, and a huge production house in Tips and Mr. Kumar Taurani backing it, making the film with no expense spared. And post that, I've got Rakta Charitra, which I'm currently filming with my mentor, Mr. Ram Gopal Varma. And supremely excited about that because that's a biopic. It's a 2-part film, and one of your Kannada stars, Sudeep, is part of the film, and I've just spent some time with him working. I think his pet name is Kicha, and we spent some really good time working together. I think he's a fabulous actor and an even more fabulous human being. Really good guy. In fact, he just SMS'd me right now, hey, you're in my city, do you need anything? So it's really sweet of him.
Well, we're sure that you're all set to rock. We wish you luck. This is the filmography side of it. You in Nama Bengaluru today, and you said you enjoyed the program. Tell us a bit about that. You're here for a cause. How do you feel about it?
You know, I said in Hindi, so I don't know how many people who are watching this will understand, but I'll try and translate it. I said that normally we're just kalakar. You know, we're just an entertainer. We're just an artist. But when a kalakar comes to a platform like this and, you know, creates an awareness, creates an event where participates in an event where you collect funds to do something good, to help people who are victims of the flood, then आप किसी के कल को आकार दे रहे हैं. कलाकार जो है कल को आकार देने लगा means he starts to shape the future for a lot of people. You know, it's very important because you and I, every time we're sad, we're tired, we're lonely, we think of home, you know. That's the thing, you think of home, you want to be home and all of that, but these people, they're so sad right now. Where is home for them? You know, they just don't have a home today to go back to. And this project of Punya Bhumi, which is going to give 5,000 homes to 5,000 families, is just an amazing endeavor. And if it can be achieved with the help of, you know, all the people of Nama Bengaluru and all of Karnataka and all of India, then that's great. And I am here to do my little bit by starting off the auction. The small donation that I've made, I hope it goes a long way in giving a family a place to call home.
Thank you so much for joining us. Lovely talking to you.
Pleasure.
All right, that was Vivek Oberoi telling us a bit about Kurbani, his filmography, online projects, and Nama Bengaluru. With camera person Lakshman, this is Mehak for News 9.
Now, who says there's only cutthroat competition in Bollywood? At the time of crisis, friends show their backs. Despite the probe into Mahesh Bhatt's son Rahul Bhatt's alleged links with LET mastermind David Coleman Headley, Anurag Basu plans to go ahead with the already planned Rahul Bhatt's acting debut film,